Another day working on the hybrid rx8. I'm sure you all remember like the whole fuckery that I had over there with the coolant hoses and all this insulation. Like, just try to keep it away from the downpipe and from the charge pipe. So today we're gonna do some hard lines. I ended up ordering some aluminum 1.75" outside dimension pipes. Got them really quick to a 30-degree angle, and let's see what can I do with that. Kind of hoping I can like get all this done today and like drive the car around just to like make sure everything works fine. And then something else that I was thinking, I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but I put back the power steering control module for the rx8 just to like try to fix the over voltage and like the alternator not being able to like actually control what's going on with the voltage. And then something that I realized, that's a 3-pin connector, and then the Volvo S40 has the same 3-pin connector. So let's see if I can like wire that up and get it working with it. Maybe I can like get the ECU to like actually know like steering angle and like everything else, whatever information it needs to know. Because like on the last video I fixed the issue, but it's still coming back. Like every now and then it's just like it goes crazy. It's not going to like 16 or even 18 volts, but still overvolting. So let's get into doing some fabrication and see what we can get done. Alright, so far this is what we got. Y'all can hate a little bit. That's hot. There we go. Not too bad. I mean, hey, I think it's not too bad. You let me know in the comments. Okay, so that's basically what I end up going with. Y'all can complain or judge my welds, but that's basically what I end up doing. Hopefully everything goes well and nothing is like very close to the downpipe. I mean, there's stuff close, but it's like at least 3/4, almost a whole inch away from it. And then I ended up pulling some wires all the way to the trunk from the power steering module or the power steering control unit, whatever, all the way to the back. And now I just have to go to the back and get it wired.